In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Elementor templates into WordPress. This process is a fantastic way to enhance the design and functionality of your WordPress site, allowing you to create beautiful pages quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress designer or just getting started, Elementor templates can significantly simplify your workflow and help you achieve a professional look with minimal effort. First, make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. If Elementor isn't installed, navigate to your WordPress Dashboards plugin section. From there, simply search for Elementor in the plugin repository, install it, and activate it. Once you're all set with Elementor, the next step is to download a template kit that suits your design needs. There are countless free and premium templates available online. Ensure that the downloaded file is in a zip format, as this is a standard format used for uploading your templates into WordPress. Head back to your WordPress dashboard, and in the left-hand menu, hover over the Elementor tab. This will bring up a few options. Select My Library, which is where all your templates will be stored. It's like your toolbox of design elements. You'll find blocks, pages, and sections you might want to use for your site. Once you're in the library, look for the Import Template button located at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload the .zip file of your Elementor template. Click the Choose File button, find your downloaded .zip file, and select it. Then, press the Import Now button. The system will start uploading your template, and after a few moments, you should receive a success notification. This indicates that you have successfully imported the template into your library. To make use of the newly imported template, navigate to the page or post you want to apply the template to. Click the Edit with Elementor button at the top of the screen to open the Elementor editor. Once inside, you'll notice the folder icon in the panel on the right. Click on this icon to open your template library. Here, you'll find all the templates you've imported, including our latest edition. Click on the template you want to use, and then hit the Insert button. Elementor might ask if you want to import the document settings. If you wish to use the template's predefined styles, choose Yes. Otherwise, hit No if you prefer to stick with the styles and settings of your existing page. And there you have it, your template is imported and ready for fine-tuning. You can now customize it to better fit your content and style needs, making any necessary adjustments to text, images, and layout. Remember to click Update when you're done to save your changes. Importing Elementor templates into WordPress is just that simple. With this approach, you'll enhance your site's design and streamline your workflow, making web design an enjoyable process. Keep experimenting with different templates to discover various styles and layouts that suit your creative vision best.